What is up, YouTube? How's it going? Welcome back to the Old Farts Garage. Well, we're back on the 63 again, but this time it's not about body work. This time it's all about let's get this bad boy running again. So what I'm going to be doing, okay, oh geez Louise, almost ran into my drill press. Anyways, what we're doing this week, I don't know how long it's going to take me. Soon find out, won't we? Because as we all know, not everything falls into place as easily as we wish it would. So anyhow, what I have going on, let me turn this around and show you. Going on, brand new radiator. All right, yes sir, nice looking aluminum radiator there. All right, and I already have the old one draining. Okay, here's the old one. It's pretty beat up and everything. It's got a hole in it right down in here. Okay, so I got a hose hooked up to it, draining right now. Looks like it's already done. I got another bucket right there so I can pull this hose off, and I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. And once we have it out, we're going to go ahead and, while it's out, I'm going to switch the alternator. Okay, so that's the old alternator. It works. It's just I have this brand new one over here. All right, I got this one right here. It's a single wire. Okay, and although, let me see if I can get this open real quick. Let me see. Oh, here it is. Sometimes the way they pack this stuff, it just kills me. I can get my fingers in there. There it is. Okay, look at that. Nice and shiny. Single wire. Okay. Guess it helps if I aim the camera where I'm looking at. So that's the new alternator right there. All right. So while I have the radiator out, we'll be putting in the alternator. But first, got to gather up my tools, get myself all situated and ready, and we'll get started. All right. Okay, so here's the old radiator. I gotta pull these off of here, all these fittings, and hopefully they'll go onto the new one without any problem. Here we have a hole somewhere in the core because it was leaking from there, which, I mean, it was going to get changed anyways, and there's no reason to run around with a hole in there. Looks like it might be from the inside because I don't see anything on the outside. So it's probably busted on the inside somewhere, but there's a leak there. Okay, so let me go ahead and get these taken off of there, and then we'll put it on the new ones. Oh, I forgot one thing. I'm going to change this alternator before I put the new radiator back in. So let's go ahead and do that right now. All right. Let's change this alternator. There's the new alternator. Ready to go. Alright, now we can put the radiator in. So my phone ran out of space and turned off, but here's the alternator. Okay, that's in. The radiator is in. Alright, except for, of course, the transmission lines, because since they don't line up, I'm going to have to cut and trim, flange, and get those to fit, because the fittings are more to the left over here as to where the old one, they were all over here to the right. So I know it's not that bad of a thing, but of course I've never done it before, so now I got something else to learn. And I got that, like I still got the hose here to put on there, but that's no biggie. I think I'll wait till after I redo the transmission line so that that hose doesn't get in my way. But the top one's in, as you can see, and it fit just right. Okay, had to modify a little bit of the bracket, but it's in. Okay, so anyways, that's what I did today. Oh my God.